rescue and firefighting services, and more broadly, to foster and promote civil aviation across Australia.
But the fun things are over this way. Simple for a start. Over here, we have different games you can play that you can pretend like an air traffic controller. So you can start them up and you move your aircraft to wherever you need them to go through the gates. So you can sit here and move aircraft through as you go around.
This is a tower control game that we've made. The idea is we want to show people a little bit of what it's like to be a tower air traffic controller.
And just giving out some safety information to pilots and potential new candidates that want to work for Airservices.
My normal day-to-day job, looking after airspace, controlling air traffic, talking to the many pilots that we have. Over this week we're down here to answer questions, help you out, show you a few of the simulators and games that we have that may interest future air traffic controllers, and answer any questions you may have about the industry.